Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is the final project of CS50 web developing with Python and JavaScript. In this video, I'll show you my project, and this is my project where I try to make a social media page where you can upload image, download, and like and comment. So here is my code. So you can see, as you can see, these are the JavaScript that I use. Also, these are the SQL codes that I have used and the Python. So let's check out the web page first. As for the another requirement, we have to make it mobile responsive. So let's check it out. As you can see, it is mobile responsive. So let's sign up and here make Alright, as you can see, I just signed up account, so let's see whether our account is created or not. As if you go to user, you can see the account has been created. So let's log out and then go back to our workplace. Okay. Alright, submit. So as you can see, this page is also more responsive. Before we go further, I want to say that all the images that is uploaded here are on in this media folder, and all images are also rendered from here. So you can see. Let's upload an image. So once you upload an image like something this, or upload image, as you can see, image has been uploaded. So you can also go to my images option and you can check all the images that you have uploaded till far. So yeah, you can go to a certain image, comment there, and once you have commented, you can also download that image. Okay, let me show you how it looks like this. So this is how it looks like on this desktop mode. So you can go and search an image. You can see, you can image, and after going view mode, you can go there, and once again you can do all this stuff like okay. So you can also like images. So once you have click on like button, you can see in here you can see that all the documents, or all the images are here. And as for the like images, these are the like images. So this image is liked by the current user that I'm logging with. So you can see it's like with the document ID 1. So you can see all the images are like with their certain users. So it keep records. So yeah. So I guess thanks for watching. This is my project, and